Hello love, it is your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having an amazing day. Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a fun style. We're going to be doing a crochet style. The thing about this hair that I'm going to be showing you guys about that is different from any other hair that I've showed you guys and I've used in the past is the fact that this hair right here, it has a micro ring loop. Instead of like the pre-looped hair when it has the loop at the top, this has a micro ring loop at the top. So I'm excited to try this out. We're playing around with some color today. So I have number 4. I also have number 27 and I have 30. So we're gonna be mixing all of these together and I'm excited to see how it comes out. So let's go ahead and jump right in. This hair is from QVR. I will have everything linked down below in the description box and let's begin. I have 2 packs of number 4, 4 packs of number 30, and 2 packs of 27, or 1 pack of 27. So which one should I start with? I guess we'll start with 30 because that's the one I have most of. Let me tell y'all something. One thing about QVR, they was not playing when it came to giving your girl a crochet needle. So I have a crochet needle in each pack of hair. Mind you, I have 7 packs of hair. So when you fold the hair in half, right here at the top you have the micro loop, which is just like a piece of thread. So the idea behind this, I believe that it's going to take that, you know, when you do the loose hair like this, the hair sometimes like slides out and it gets a little loose and you gotta keep pulling it to make sure it stays tight. So that is going to eliminate that with the thread. So I'm excited to see how this works out. I'm gonna go ahead and get my crochet needle. I do want to show you guys my braid down pattern. It's my same old braid down pattern. I just did 10 braids in the front and we did 5 to 6 big ones in the back. So nothing too special. But right here on the end, let's go ahead and start out with this first one. So you're gonna take your needle and you're gonna go underneath your braid. So you're gonna put it right here where the thread is at. Pull it down and then you just wanna take the hair and just put it through. I put my finger right here at where the thread is so that when I pull the hair through, the thread, I have better control of where the thread goes when I pull it through. So I make sure it's right there. But y'all see how that looks? It looks so natural and it's like, it's not bulky or anything. This is what we're looking like so far. You guys, I will say it has taken me so long to do this style. I am on 3 hours right now of installing this. Mind you, I did stop about 3 or 4 times. I stopped for probably like 20 minutes one time to just go eat, and then I was watching TV for a little bit, and I've been doing other stuff in between. But crochet usually don't take me this long. It's because the pieces of hair is like small, you know, they're not thick at all, but I love it because it makes the style look more natural. Like this hair looks so good. And I do want to point out that this hair is 100% human hair. And that's a plus as well, meaning this style is going to last longer, because if you've used like the curly hair like this that you can get and it's not 100% human, y'all, that hair will tangle up on you. So I love the fact that this is human hair. I know that I'll be able to like wet this down with water. I can put foam on it. I'm liking the thickness, but I don't know if I'm gonna have to go in and like add some more pieces, because like I said, these are thin. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this row, and then I have a row in the back that I'm going to finish, and I'm going to look at it and see what else I need to do. And just a tip, when you're using multiple colors, like for me, I'm using 3 different colors and I want highlights, you definitely have to be mindful of where you're placing the hair, because you want it to be as even as possible. Like you don't want more color on this side and less color on that side. So right now I'm just looking and trying to make sure I have it as even as possible. Like right now I have a little bit too much highlight right here. Either I need to add some more light on this side or tone it down a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep playing around with it, adding more pieces where I see I need to add more pieces, and I'll be back when I'm done so I can show you how I'm going to style it. I'm thinking I'm going to cut some layers in it as well, just a few layers, just to frame and shape my face. Also, what I've done to make it a little easier when it comes to installing the hair, and so it can be a little thicker, so instead of doing 1 strand at a time, I just take 2 and I piece it together right here, and I put these in together. The most I've tried to install at one time is 2. So I just take it, put it together like this and install it, and it's just going to help me get that thickness a little bit quicker. This is what the hair looks like after installing. I feel like it's full all over. So I love it on the side. Let me show y'all it in the middle. This is before cutting any layers. I do want to cut a few layers in it. It's full in the back. I'm going to take a little section in the front right here, and I'm just going to cut just a little bit. Y'all, these are trash, but hopefully, ooh, we're going to try. Okay, just a little bit to frame my face. Feel like that looks so much better already. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side. I'm just freestyling the back, honestly, y'all, because I can't see. Right now I'll probably wear it on the side, so I'm going to bring it to the side and see if I need to cut any. So I'll probably cut just a little bit like over here to give it a few layers. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go slick my edges down, and I'm going to go out in the hall so I can show you all some different styles you can do with this one style and give you guys the finished look. But I absolutely love how it came out. Again, I will have this hair link down below. It's from QVR. So make sure you guys check out the description box down below. And this is a protective style, so you will be able to wear this for at least a month. I feel like the older that it gets, the better it looks. So let me go slick my edges down and give you guys the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.
what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me.